This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AresLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Friday, June 12, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 closed at a new all-time high, fueled by a tech sector rally and optimism over a potential Iran deal. Let's break down the details.
The S&P 500 closed at 737.76, up 1.7% on the day. The Nasdaq 100 gained 3.38% to 717.12, while the Dow added 1.82% to 509.36. Top gainers included ENA, up 1,126.99%, Bain, up 999%, and GMM, up 480.63%. Top losers were TGIF, down 99.99%, Augur, down 99.99%, and CSDR, down 99.5%. The technology sector led the charge, up 3.73%, followed by materials and industrials. The energy sector lagged, down 1.94%.
Now, let's look at corporate news and what's coming next.
Core Scientific reported mixed results, missing revenue expectations, while Audiera's AI token beat surged 500% in a month, outpacing Bitcoin and Ethereum. SEC filings today included 8Ks from SMACI, SHLS, BCDA, FLUT, and Santander. Dividend ex-dates include CTO, MSTI, HUI, GUI, and MCY, all with ex-dates today.
Next, let's check the economic data and what's coming this week. The Fed funds rate remains at 3.62%, with the 2-year and 10-year Treasury yields at 4.5% and 4.45%, respectively. The yield curve remains flat, at plus 0.39 percentage points. CPI rose 4.17% year-over-year, above the Fed's 2% target, and the unemployment rate held at 4.3%. The U.S. dollar index is at 120.8, up 0.72% week-over-week. Tomorrow, we'll see industrial production data out of the U.S. on Monday, June 15. Now, let's check the risk signals.
The VIX closed at 19.44, down 2.78% from yesterday. No major credit warnings or geopolitical disruptions were flagged today.
Let's look ahead to what's coming next.
Watch the S&P 500 as it approaches 740, a key resistance level. The Nasdaq 100 is poised for further gains if tech stocks continue to outperform. Tomorrow's industrial production data could offer insight into the health of the manufacturing sector. The most important thing to watch: the S&P 500's ability to hold above 735 as we head into the week.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.